Hey guys, hopefully you are doing good. Now we are here again for gold market analysis for the date of 26 June 2020. Okay, you can find my previous video in my channel, analysis on gold market dated 21 June, where I have identified this neckline. Let me show you again this neckline. I discussed in that video that if this neckline broken and closed above, it may go continue to up direction, and it happened. Look what it happened. It closed here on 21st June, close above this neckline, and it continues to the maximum high of 1779 here, 1779 level. And after reaching there, it has made a bearish candle, although it's not showing any kind of reversal, but we may have correction over here. Why I'm saying this, we may have correction on some findings, let me share with you. First of all, look here. We have got a little hidden divergence here. If I make it bigger, look, this is upward sloping, this high to this high, this is upward sloping. And if we go to the RSI on the same level, we have flat, a little lower sloping line. Look, a little bit lower sloping line. On week chart, we have already got divergence. Look, this upward sloping, and RSI is downward sloping. Fine. So on daily chart and week chart, we have got divergence already, so we may find correction over here. And yesterday day trying to go up, rejected from the price 1768. And what's happening right now in the shorter time frame, let me show you. First I make it a little bit like, yes, after making this high, price came down to go up and rejected again from 1775, then came down, then tried to go up, again rejected from 1768, came down, then tried to go up, again rejected from 1665. So here in the shorter time frame, we are getting this level as a strong support. What is that level? It is 1758. Okay, this is behaving as a strong support, and price is rejecting in a downward sloping direction. So after all these findings, what I suggest, we have seen divergence on daily time frame, we have seen divergence on weekly time frame, and in shorter time frame, this is H1 hourly time frame, and even at H4 we can see price is in this box. It's moving this box. Upper is 1768, lower is 1753. So in shorter time frame, price is consolidating, in fact making lower highs. Okay, so what I suggest, we find selling opportunities here, because we may have a little correction on daily chart. And if someone wants to sell, so don't sell around here where price currently right now. Either you go sell if price closes below this candle. This candle is the low of this candle is 753. If any hourly candle closes below this 1753, then you can go for selling. Or if price goes up somewhere here around 1765 to 1768, you can go for selling. If price reaches around 1773 to 1775, you can go for selling. Stop loss should be above this high, which is 1779. Please keep your risk management and money management in your mind. So what lot should you go for, and how much distance your stop loss should be. So this is my analysis. And what should be the target? If we go for selling, so we may have correction up till, if you see this Fibonacci level, let me make it bigger. This is uptrend. We may have correction up to 38.2 level, which is 1737, to this moving average 1743. We may have, this is our first target area. Extendedly, we may have further correction towards 50 level Fibonacci, that is 1724 to 1730, this area. So we may have correction to these two levels. Let's see what chart will draw next. Then we will then I will come again for my next analysis. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button so that you can get notification once I upload my next analysis. Thank you very much.